So we're all getting ready to go get our massages. Well, I'm going at 10 and he's going at 11. I'll text. So we're going back to the spa. We just got our massages, but they have like this this hot tub spa kind of thing that we're gonna go get in while the guys are finishing their massage. All the naked areas. Ooh, the sauna. Oh, that's super cool.
Ooh, it's hot though, yo.
Yeah, this is cool. I mean, we can do it, but I'm not gonna be naked doing it. You can be naked, but I'm not gonna be naked. Okay.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
After a massage, because Wes won't take me nowhere. He's mean. We all.
So they didn't take her hiking yesterday or nothing.
Well, I wanted to do the mountain coaster things. The ATVs looked fun, but it was super expensive, and it was like only it was like $100 an hour. And I still want to do a gondola ride. We need to go do a gondola ride. They have one going there, but I want to do the nice one.
Live it live, and tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
Grab this house, baby.
Let us go tonight. Got a restless mind, and now
look. Squat.
Squat? Oh, I thought you were pointing at something. I was like, squat what? Where?
I won't let go, so let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where.
There's a map right in front of you. Where's you are Hugh? You need to figure out where we are first. You see, you are here. Right here. We're here. And so
5 Senses hiking trail is the closest.
We go, oh, do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
I can breathe right here, but
So smoky.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
so perfect.
Let us on tonight.
Look how beautiful.
I don't know. She's just standing there.
You see that beaver dam right there?
That's a beaver dam.
I'm gonna let my hair down. I'm gonna take control. We're gonna make a big sound. We're gonna break the mold, the mold. Baby, ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live
Alright, we're going down the back path now.
it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us know tonight.
The air quality is really poor right now.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't.
It's too smoky to hike. Too smoky. Look at this. It's like a fog. It's awful. We were gonna do the gondola rides, but they're $40 a person during the summer, so we didn't really want to spend like $80 a couple for like a 7-minute trip. So sorry. And plus, it is so smoky out here. Like, I just want to go inside. Like, I hate this. This is the last day. Luckily, it's the last day, but the wildfires here are so bad, and there's like 22 of them right now. We got stuck in traffic in one because someone flicked out a cigarette in the median yesterday, and you know, there was a fire in the median, so they shut down the road. But it's so smoky here. I think there's one like 10 or 15 miles away from here, and it is like the air quality is getting really bad really fast. So we're just gonna head back to the room and go to dinner, I guess, and that'll be the end of the trip. But I was hoping we could do more fun things today, but it's so smoky outside. I don't know how much more I can handle. So yeah, I guess this is the end of the vlog. I'll probably show you like us going to the airport and stuff, but I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with us. Oh, this is where you come if you're like skiing. It's usually snow covered. It's so crazy to see it like not covered in snow, I guess.
You try to get your balls as close as you can to it.
I'll have no idea.
Never gets.
Never seen it. Never heard
Most
of it.
balls closer to the little white ball.
It must be a rich kid thing.
No, we play at the beach all the time.
Oh yeah, rich kid thing, like
Yeah,
I said.
yeah.
Chop path. Oh, is that live? Oh, look at the hummingbirds. Look at all the hummingbirds on that
And that's
field.
what people are
Don't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It chose the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you.
That's a great idea. Uh-oh. All the fruit is blocking the... All the fruit's blocking the spout.
Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke and the mirrors are memories now. The sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above.
Ice skating in July. Ice skating in July. Look at this. I've never seen ice skating in July. Never.
Where do you get the skate?
Never have I ever.
You buy them up
Coyote Cafe. Is that it?
Face the Coyote Cafe.
This ain't no sugar-coated love.
We're not gonna make it. Dumb. Ice skating closes at 10 and it's like 9:57. My first time ice skating. You gonna meet me over there? I'm not getting on yet because I've never done this. I'll wait for you. Oh, I'm so excited. I've never been ice skating before, so this should be funny. Yeah. Okay. I'm so gonna eat it.
No, you're not.
I don't even know how to do it.
Look, I can still skate backwards. Look. I can't stop though. You're making me help. Wes, look at me help.
Yeah, I don't know if I can do this. I'll get you the... Oh, you hold this. I need both hands in case I fall.
I need to try and get these things tighter.
I know, I can't get mine any tighter either.
Excuse me, I need to sign a release whenever you're on the video.
It's not
Just let me know. I'm just saying, the camera. I don't want to be on this video.
What?
Are you guys on YouTube?
She is.
I ran out of wall or whatever that sounds like. Interrail. That's what it was. Oh god, I'm so scared to go away from this. I'm gonna eat it. Come on here.
It's gonna pull me down.
Oh,
Oh, I'm gonna have to tighten these things up.
mine aren't tight.
I feel like I'm gonna break my ankles.
I know.
Like
Ready for your sprain?
It's not worth it for me. We're too close to camp for me to be spraining ankles. I'm staying close to the
I
wall.
know. Let me get back over here before I break my teeth. I like my teeth.
It felt so unstable walking.
Yeah, I mean these things are just rocking back and forth.
Like I couldn't tighten them at all.
Oh, yep. Especially the left one. The left one's just like wiggling inside the boot.
Gosh, this is so scary. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but I'm still gonna stay close to this wall. Do mine. Fix mine. Oh yeah, that's much better. Thanks.
Whoop.
That's much better there. I'm still gonna stay right back.
This ain't no sugar-coated love. I'll stay in bed. I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show.
Oh, of course. Did you see that? I did it. I'm gonna fall. I did it and I didn't fall yet. I'm not done yet though, so let me not speak too soon. That was my first time. Really? I just lost my ice skating virginity.
Isn't it stuff? See you in the AM. Wait, what time are we?
I don't know. Landon's flight's at like.
It's so pretty, but it doesn't look good to me.
Bring the tail off and everything.
That's cute. What's the... Or no, I just got Brussels sprouts. That's right.
My burger.
Oh, so sloppy. Is this like a whole pitcher of lemon? Oh my goodness.
What'd you get?
Chocolate pudding. But it's got fudge, meringue, and brittle and salted caramel ice cream. You got the pear crisp. The toppings. Oh look, baby, look. Waiting on our flight. Huh?
Your attention to the video monitors located throughout the aircraft. What's the information?
Yeah, they're the same. Yeah, the same airline.
Show us off, but you're my